Good evening, and welcome to the Crypto Overnighter. I'm Nicodemus, and I will be your host as we take a look at the latest cryptocurrency news and analysis. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. And remember, none of this is financial advice. And it's 10 p.m. Pacific on Saturday, August 19th, 2023. Welcome back to the Crypto Overnighter, where we have no sponsors, no hidden agendas, and no BS. But we do have the news, so we're going to talk about that. First, however, a reminder that there will be no new episodes on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday of next week. We're going out of town for our anniversary, so I won't be putting out content from the 21st to the 23rd of August. So after tomorrow, I'll be gone and I won't be back until Thursday. As for tonight, we'll delve into the SEC's relentless pursuit against Ripple and what this means for the broader crypto industry. We'll uncover the rift between Binance and Checkout.com, exploring the challenges of navigating the regulatory terrain in the crypto space. Exactly Protocol faces a substantial breach, shining a light on the vulnerabilities in the DeFi sector. Ethereum gears up to unveil its innovative Holesky testnet, another leap towards continuous improvement. Mark Cuban takes on OpenSea in a showdown over NFT royalties. And we'll wrap things up with Taiwan's refreshing approach to fostering growth in the crypto sector. The U.S. Securities Exchange Commission has taken another step in its ongoing legal battle against Ripple Labs. On Thursday, Judge Annalisa Torres of the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York allowed the SEC to present its argument for an appeal for her earlier ruling. On Friday, the SEC requested permission to appeal the judge's ruling that XRP sales through exchanges did not breach securities law. The SEC's appeal specifically targets the judge's decision that Ripple's programmatic sales of XRP were not in violation of securities law. This is because retail investors buying XRP on an exchange would not have the same expectations as an institutional investor purchasing directly from Ripple. The SEC's appeal emphasizes the legal determinations about the existence of investment contracts based on undisputed facts. The outcome of this appeal could influence other SEC cases, notably its suits against Coinbase and Dragon Chain. The SEC's focus is on the sales of XRP, not the asset itself. They clarified that they do not argue that the underlying assets of those investment contracts were securities. Ripple has until September 1st, 2023 to respond to SEC's motion. If the SEC does get approval for the interlocutory appeal from Judge Torres, they will then need to petition the Second District Court of Appeals to review the case. The SEC's move to appeal has broader implications for the crypto industry. The way the court handles the Ripple case could significantly affect other pending litigations, especially those between the SEC and major crypto trading platforms like Binance and Coinbase. The SEC believes that an immediate appeal is necessary due to the controlling questions of law involved and the substantial grounds for differing opinions on these matters. Interestingly, the SEC has officially admitted that digital assets, including XRP, are not inherently securities. This admission is significant and has sparked reactions from the crypto community. Attorney John Deaton highlighted that the SEC's concession on this issue may have been influenced by over 75,000 XRP holders who joined the lawsuit. The ongoing legal tussle between Ripple and the SEC began in 2020 when the SEC accused Ripple of raising $1.3 billion through XRP sales. Judge Torres had previously ruled that some of Ripple's XRP sales did not violate securities laws due to a blind bid process. However, she also determined that other direct sales of the token to institutional investors were securities, giving the SEC a partial victory. The SEC now wants to appeal the decision about the programmatic sales and other distributions of XRP in exchange for goods and services. This case is a testament to the evolving nature of regulations in the crypto space and the challenges faced by both regulators and crypto companies. As the legal proceedings continue, the crypto community will be keenly watching the developments, given the potential implications for the broader industry. While Ripple faces the SEC, Binance confronts its own set of challenges. By the way, if you're enjoying our in-depth analysis, ensure that you subscribe and get notifications. Let's delve into what's brewing between Binance and Checkout.com. Binance recently faced another significant setback. Checkout.com, a UK-based payments processor, decided to end its partnership with Binance. The termination took place on August 16th, leading to the shutdown of Binance Connect, a platform that bridged crypto firms to the traditional finance system. This platform, launched in March of 2022, was initially named Bifinity and then was later renamed to Binance Connect. It was designed to link businesses, merchants, and users to the crypto world, allowing merchants to accept crypto payments and users to access buy-sell crypto services. The reason for this sudden termination? Checkout.com cited concerns over Binance's compliance with anti-money laundering regulations, sanctions, and other compliance controls. They also mentioned, quote, reports of regulators' actions and orders in relevant jurisdictions, and inquiries from partners. Forbes reported that Guillaume Pouzas, the CEO of Checkout.com, decided to end the relationship with Binance due to those concerns. Binance, on the other hand, has expressed its disagreement with Checkout.com's reasons for termination. A spokesperson from Binance stated, "We do not agree with Checkout's purported basis for termination and are considering our options for legal action." Despite the end of this partnership, Binance assures that on-ramp and off-ramp services will remain available at the exchange. As we reported earlier this week, Binance's decision to shut down Binance Connect was attributed to strategic reasons without further specification. The exchange emphasized its commitment to collaborating with regulators and partners globally to ensure clarity and the best services and protections for its users. However, this isn't the only challenge Binance is currently facing. The exchange is also embroiled in legal battles in the US, with both the Commodity Futures Trading Commission and the SEC suing them for alleged violations of federal laws. Moving from exchanges to DeFi, Exactly Protocol recently experienced a hard hit. Love what you're hearing? Make sure to like and share our episodes. Now, let's explore this breach and its implications. The Optimism network-based, decentralized credit market Exactly Protocol was exploited on August 18th. This breach led to a sharp decline in the platform's total value locked. Following this, Exactly's newly announced native token EXA saw a drop of over 27% within a day. The protocol had to be temporarily halted. Blockchain security firm PeckShield was the first to notify Exactly Protocol about the attack, urging users to act. Initial investigations pointed to a loss of 4,300 ETH, which is around $7.3 million. However, a recent update from DeFi, a Web3 antivirus platform, revealed that the loss was more than 7,160 ETH, nearly $12.04 million. This security firm detailed that the exploit strategy seemed to involve an exploiter contract on Ethereum. This contract transferred deposits to the Layer 2 blockchain Optimism and then bridged the stolen funds back to Ethereum. Exactly Protocol hasn't confirmed the attack yet. They have mentioned that they're looking into a security issue, which led to the temporary halt of the platform. Users can still withdraw their assets. An official statement from the protocol mentioned that they're actively investigating the security issue. The total value locked in Exactly Protocol plummeted from 37 million to 11.74 million post-attack, a drop of almost 70%. The DeFi sector has seen a surge in exploitations. Earlier this month, Solana-based DEX Cypher protocol was hacked, with the culprits taking close to $1 million in crypto assets. Thankfully, over half of these stolen funds were later frozen, and that was only possible due to collaborations with centralized crypto exchanges and private blockchain investigators. Law enforcement agencies have also issued seizure warrants. However, not all these exploits end on a positive note. The DeFi project Tsunami Protocol recently faced losses exceeding $2 million. This was due to price manipulation made possible by donations to the protocol. From DeFi breaches to blockchain innovation, Ethereum is gearing up for something big. And if you're here for these kind of updates, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's explore Ethereum's new venture. Ethereum is about to make another significant stride. Core developers announced plans to roll out a new testnet named Holesky in September. This move aims to enhance the testing environment and address supply challenges for Ether on testnets. Now, testnets are essentially clone blockchains. They allow developers to deploy applications and identify potential bugs before these applications go live on the mainnet. Ethereum's ecosystem currently boasts two primary testnets, Gurley and Sepolia. However, there is a twist. Gurley is reportedly on its way out, soon to be replaced by the new and improved Holesky. One of the standout features of Holesky is the potential supply of over 1 billion testnet ETH. This vast supply is not just for show. It's a strategic move designed to tackle challenges developers often face when trying to acquire testnet ETH on primary networks. With such a substantial amount of test ETH at their disposal, developers will find it much easier to test Ethereum smart contracts. Switching from blockchain advancements to NFT controversies, even Mark Cuban is weighing in. If you're as passionate about NFTs as we are, make sure to follow for nightly insights. Now, what's the buzz around OpenSea's latest decision? OpenSea recently announced its intention to sunset the enforcement of creator royalties. This move has been met with significant backlash from major players in the NFT space. Mark Cuban voiced his disappointment on X. stating that not collecting and paying royalties on NFT sales is a huge mistake by OpenSea. He emphasized that this decision diminishes trust in the platform and negatively impacts the industry. The Dallas Mavericks owner's words held considerable weight in the NFT community due to his public profile and deep involvement in the crypto sector. His criticism is particularly poignant given his participation in OpenSea's $23 million Series A funding round in 2021. As of now, OpenSea's valuation stands at a staggering $13.3 billion, following a Series C fundraise last year. OpenSea's decision to halt mandatory creator royalties, which typically range from 2.5% to 10% and are added to secondary NFT sales, is seen by many as a response to competitive pressures. Other NFT marketplaces have also reduced creator royalties to attract buyers. Interestingly, OpenSea's CEO and co-founder Devin Finzer had previously defended creator fees. He said they were crucial for safeguarding the rights of artists. The backlash against OpenSea's decision was not limited to Mark Cuban. Yuga Labs, the creator of the Bored Ape Yacht Club, also expressed their discontent. In response to OpenSea's policy shift, Yuga Labs has initiated the process of ending its compatibility with the platform. By February 2024, OpenSea will be prohibited from trading new Yuga projects and any with upgradable smart contracts. Yuga Labs collections have so far generated over $9 billion in NFT trades against the entire market. Other creators, such as Betty, the pseudonymous founder of the NFT project Deadfellas, called for an industry-wide boycott of OpenSea. She criticized the platform for abandoning the crypto-native principle of supporting decentralization through policies like profit sharing. Betty warned that emerging artists would be at a disadvantage and innovation would stall. Despite the criticism, OpenSea's decision might set a precedent for the industry. Some fear that this move might signal the end of royalty practices across the board, especially since OpenSea was the largest NFT trading platform still upholding the policy. From NFT platforms to national strides, Taiwan is making waves in the crypto space. Let's see how Taiwan is revolutionizing its crypto stance. Taiwan is making significant strides in the crypto sector. The nation has put forth a proposal for a new business category in its regulations. This move is specifically designed to allow cryptocurrency-related firms to establish industry associations. The primary goal behind this initiative is to encourage the creation of self-regulatory guidelines. The Ministry of Economic Affairs in Taiwan recently revealed they've drafted an amendment to the Standards of Classification of Commercial Group Regulations. This amendment introduces a category dedicated to digital asset services. The proposed business category will define the range of operations within the crypto sector. This encompasses activities like exchanging cryptocurrency for legal tender, facilitating cryptocurrency transfers, providing services for crypto storage, and assisting with the issuance or sale of cryptocurrency. Once this business category is integrated into the relevant regulations, cryptocurrency firms will have the green light to form industry associations. The ministry is currently seeking public opinion on this matter. They plan to finalize the amendment in collaboration with the Ministry of the Interior by mid or late October. It's worth noting that Taiwan has mandated virtual asset service providers, or VASPs, adhere to its anti-money laundering laws. This directive came into effect after the Financial Supervisory Commission rolled out anti-money laundering rules in July of 2021. Apart from this, the crypto industry in Taiwan remains largely unregulated. The introduction of an industry association will empower crypto firms to devise their own self-supervisory rules. That's a significant move, especially considering the global skepticism surrounding cryptocurrencies and their regulation. We were talking about Binance earlier. They are currently in the process of registering for AML compliance under the FSC. The Financial Supervisory Commission of Taiwan was designated as the primary regulator for the crypto industry in March. It's in the midst of drafting a comprehensive set of guidelines. These guidelines will address trading and payments related to cryptocurrencies for VASPs. An official from the FSC disclosed they aim to release these guidelines for VASPs by the end of September. This proactive approach by Taiwan showcases a shift in how nations perceive and handle the growing cryptocurrency industry. By fostering an environment conducive to self-regulation, Taiwan is positioning itself as a forward-thinking nation in the crypto landscape. This move not only bolsters the trust of crypto enthusiasts, but also paves the way for a more structured and secure crypto industry in the region. So, what happened? The SEC had decided to appeal a federal judge's ruling that Ripple's sales of XRP through exchanges did not breach securities law. This legal battle could set a precedent for other SEC lawsuits against crypto platforms. Binance and Checkout.com have parted ways, with Checkout.com expressing concerns over Binance's compliance measures. Exactly protocol suffered a loss of over $12 million due to a security breach. Incidents like these underline the vulnerabilities in the DeFi sector and the importance of robust security measures. Ethereum is set to roll out its Holesky testnet next month, aiming to provide developers with a more abundant supply of test ETH. This move signifies Ethereum's commitment to continuous improvement and addressing challenges proactively. OpenSea's decision to end the enforcement of creator royalties has led to significant backlash, with influential figures like Mark Cuban criticizing the platform. This move might influence the future of royalty practices in the NFT space. Taiwan is making moves to encourage self-regulation in the crypto industry. The country's recent proposal, allowing crypto-related firms to establish industry associations, highlights a progressive approach to handling the crypto sector. And that's going to do it for us tonight. I want to thank you, my listeners, because when you stop listening, I will stop talking. If you enjoyed tonight's show, then please like, follow, subscribe, leave a rating, or maybe a review. And in the meantime, we'll see you tomorrow night.